Okay guys, this is everything you're gonna need to make the basket. I got all of this from the dollar store, so everything was $1, except the shish kebab sticks. I already had those here at the house, so in total I spent $14 for everything. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna need is our jar. So we're gonna fill it up with just everything that we got that we can use to fill up. I wanted to use some of these Musketeers bars to put them in here. Then I was gonna use some of this red to fill it in, and then you can also throw in some of these just for decoration. So you're gonna see me start filling that up. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Okay, as you can see, I already filled it up. So I'm gonna add the shish kebab sticks just to see where I'm gonna position these at. I just kind of want to spread these out so that they're not so close together, because when I put the candy bars on them, I want them to be positioned separately. And I only bought 4 candy bars, so I only need 4 of these. I don't know if they're going to be long enough. That's something I'm going to look at right now when I add the bars on there. Okay, so let's get started with that. So as you can see, when I add the candy bar, it's actually going to fit perfectly with just on here. We're not going to have to cut anything. So I'm going to go get tape so that we can add tape on here. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and added the tape on here. As you can see, I'm just adding a small piece so that it doesn't roll to the front and it won't be visible up front. So I went ahead and did this one already. I did the other two. Let me show you how to do it with the last one. So you just get the candy bar, put this one on here. Don't put the spiky end on the end, just because this will be easier for you to put it into the actual vase once you're going to put it in there. So let's go ahead and get started. Just measure it to make sure that this isn't showing either, the tip, because you don't want that showing. Just make sure that that's hidden, because all this is going to be in the back, so they won't see all this. Remember, make sure your tape is not long so that it doesn't show up front either. And so I'm just going to hold it in 3 places. I think that'll make it secure. As you can see here, this is what it looks like up front. And these are the ones I made. So let's just spread these out so you don't see them. They're not visible. I kind of want to put one at every corner. Alright guys, so it doesn't look plain. We are going to add some of these that we bought in for decoration. So I'm going to take these out and add them in. Just add them in here. Okay guys, I just added these here. I had them already at the house from another project I had done leftover. So I just added these just to give it another color. As you can see here, they're kind of glittery and they're gold. And so now I'm going to put the wrapping paper around it to cover, so we can cover all this here. Guys, we also do have extra one of these, so we'll be using that to conceal all those sticks from coming out as well. So let's get started. Just like this. And try to do 2 more. So we want to make sure it doesn't go over the vase, it's just concealing it. So make sure that you bring it in some, so you see about right there. Ready to cut this? Okay guys, I just brought this string that I already had. So let's do this. Bring it in. The less perfect the better, just so it can look nice and neat. Then you tie it in. Just tie a nice bow here. See? Okay guys, this is what the finished product looks like there, as you can see. I ended up adding one to the middle because I felt like I needed one. So I added that with the heart. You can also put like an I love you here, add anything else you like. I also have these that I thought we can use to decorate the bottom with. So we can do that if you feel like it looks unfinished or you want to add to it, we can also do that. So let's go ahead and add some of these on, but this is what it looks like so far, complete. These do have stickers to them, so they'll be easy to remove or put in. So you can also put this here, use that, put them on there to kind of add to it. Just because I feel like these are all things that describe my husband and I love him. He is my best friend. Here it just says XO. As you can see, I added some on the side. It just says love you again. And then this can also be made for a friend, teacher, anyone. On the side, I just put be mine. And then once again, I love you. So you see, guys, you can or not add those. It's up to you. I just added them to kind of brighten up and give some more color to the bouquet. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with someone you know, and just help my channel grow. I can't wait to get some feedback from you guys. I hope some of you will remake this and show me pictures and tell me how the person you gave it to liked it. I would love to hear feedback from you guys. Okay, till next time, and happy early Valentine's Day to everyone watching. Bye bye.